Hi, guys.
We're here at Osteria Costa.
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 That's what she said.
Costa?
You're used to
Costalata?
say Costa.
No, it cost a lot of money. Osteria Costa or Costa. It's an Italian place. So from what I heard, with the lasagna is like one of the things that you need to get here. They run out. So that's what I got. Show up early, make reservations. Always make reservations. Anywhere you go, it's just a lot easier. You don't put yourself up for disappointment.
And that's one of our dues. Yeah. Do make a reservation.
Absolutely.
Because people are sent away they're like, oh, 45-minute wait.
Hour wait.
Even though there's seats, there's not enough service.
But we'll show you food in a second.
Hi, guys. So we had reservations at 5. We got down here to the casino, the restaurant area, 5 minutes till. So Dave played a little bit of slots, lost everything it was $20, lost 77 cents. We went to another slot, we won 120 bucks.
Well, she did. She put. I was just gonna lay it at the machine or drop it on the floor.
So that's a definite do. Even if you have 25 cents on there, find something that you can spend for 25 cents.
You might win. You might get lucky. Paid for our dinner.
Yay! It's nice when Dave has ambient lighting on our bread. Balsamic and olive oil.
Focaccia.
That bread looks really good, actually.
Focaccia bread.
Ooh.
So it has some herbs on top, and I'm sure it's like basil and oregano, and then
balsamic
vinegar and oil.
All right, you gonna try it?
Okay, good. Very fluffy.
Yeah, I saw that.
Very soft.
So far, it's a good start, you guys. Oh, it's warm too.
Oh yeah, it's very fresh.
Can you notice that?
Wow, that was good.
Oh. That is so good. I love balsamic vinegar. It wakes up your taste buds. Wow, that is delicious.
I love it. All right.
Good start.
All right. I can't wait for my lasagna.
No, I got a eggplant pomodoro. Cereal's light.
Sounds awful. I mean,
I love
for me.
eggplant. I never get it because Dave doesn't like it.
Yeah, but now today I don't think I'm gonna even try it.
You never know. He's gonna try eggplant for the first time today.
No, what did you just do to me? All right, literally a second from now.
Cheers to everybody watching. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We appreciate it. Tons of Parmesan on there, which is a big favorite of mine. So the lasagna is a sausage and beef lasagna.
Wow.
It's really good. Like, unless you make Kathy's lasagna, this is the closest you're gonna get unless you come over for our dinner at home. It is so good. Wow. So cheesy, lots of meat.
How's pasta?
Perfectly cooked.
Wow. Bye-bye, cheese.
This is really good. This is incredible. Our servers they literally run out. We were here at 5, so usually before 8 o'clock, they're done with lasagna. They're out. All right, now I know why. That was really good. Now, does it hold up to Kathy's lasagna? Does it hold up to lasagna that Kathy makes? I don't know. It's pretty good.
I can't say whether or not that it's better, but it's really good. Yeah, Kathy's gonna make me eat.
Before I even start eating, let me cleanse my palate.
So, is this rigatoni?
It is. Pasta is al dente. Holy moly, this is delicious.
It's like a vegetarian pasta, basically, right? There's no meat in it.
No. Oh my goodness. So good.
It looks good.
Oh my god, that is delicious, you guys.
I'm still kind of amazed about that focaccia bread. It's really good. Super fresh. Okay,
Delicious.
I'm gonna. Kathy's obviously gonna make me eat hers, but I'm gonna make her eat mine first. Go ahead, try mine. We're prepared to share. Actually, I don't really want to share. It's so good.
This is so rich.
Yeah, it's
Compared to my sauce, this looks super rich.
super rich. Lots of cheese. Your Kathy's comment compared to her lasagna. I mean, her lasagna is really good.
Holy moly, you can taste the sausage. Perfectly seasoned. The pasta is delicious.
What do you think about it?
Wow.
Compared to yours, though. Come on.
I'm done cooking. We'll just come here for the
Okay,
lasagna.
let's come to Vegas. If you want to have Kathy's lasagna, come here.
God, I love the sausage in
It
there.
is really good.
All right.
And how much is this?
$29.
Okay. $29 for my lasagna, and yours is
$25.
$25. So this place isn't cheap. But maybe you could hit that machine up out there, put in $20 and it'll spit out 100.
37 cents.
Oh yeah, 77 cents. The last time we hit the same machine up for $20, it spit out $100.
This is delicious.
Sometimes being a YouTuber kind of sucks because you don't get to eat your food hot. All right, I'll try your food.
You should.
Here.
You're going to love it. Pasta's cooked perfectly. It's al dente.
Where's the? You said there's whatchamacallit in
Yeah,
there?
you see it. It's that dark stuff.
If I don't see it, I'm not gonna eat it.
If you don't see it, it's not there.
Pasta's done really well. Sauce is good. I can taste a little hint of the vegetable eggplant.
No, he cannot.
Oh, I can tell.
Eggplants, I don't know how he could tell.
I think I have.
Where?
I don't know, but I think I have.
I don't think you have.
I think I've tried it. Oh, I'm gonna steal some of her cheese. No, I mean, put it this way: if you like hate vegetables, this isn't bad. I'd eat it, but I'd rather have this.
Yeah. We're gonna finish eating and roasting. Dave was looking for the eggplant. It's right here.
I knew where it was. I was avoiding it.
Chicken.
Oh, that's right there?
Yeah.
Oh. My first eggplant. I've had cauliflower, broccoli. In case you don't know about our channel, we've changed our about page, but I've never had vegetables in my whole entire life.
Except for corn. That used to be Dave's
I don't
go-to
consider
corn.
corn a vegetable. Okay. It smells good.
It's delicious. Just melts in your mouth.
Not bad. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't avoid eating it ever again.
Super soft and delicious, right?
Really soft, yeah. Well, I would call it mushy.
Mushy. It melts in my mouth.
Yeah, mushy. Melts in your mouth. Mushy.
That sounds gross. It melts in your mouth. It's delicious. You can taste the grill marks. They cook it on the grill.
It's not a bad thing. I mean, when I say things like that, describing it, I'm not a food critic. I just eat food. But
Dave's first eggplant, you guys.
first eggplant, I'm actually surprised I didn't die.
Hey, if the food looks good to you guys, leave a comment and share the video. That would really help us out.
All right, so Kathy's, everything was really delicious. I even enjoyed her eggplant penny pasta. There wasn't enough eggplant.
Oh my God.
So,
Eggplant was so good. I wish there was more, but
just
I'm
eat
getting stuffed.
I've only eaten half of mine, and it's so rich and heavy. It's like one of those things. I think we could have split this and been okay. Or you walk out of here like literally holding your stomach, ready to go
It's our fault
upstairs.
too. We didn't have seconds of bread.
Did have seconds of bread. That probably didn't help. But still, though, it was very hearty, delicious.
This was really good. Flavored. Spot
I
on.
mean, for the price for hers, I think that's a little overpriced. Since she didn't get as much eggplant as she thought she was going to get, mine is filled with meat and sausage and tons of cheese. Mine's worth $30. Yours? What do you think?
For $25, I love the pasta. It's cooked perfectly. The sauce is super light.
You're happy. She's almost finished with hers. I think I'm gonna take mine home. I don't think I can take it. That's gonna be too much. I have to drive home. We're going from Vegas to California, Orange County.
It's about 3.5 hours.
Yeah, I don't think I can eat that and then be able to drive.
I don't blame you. I'll eat it when I get home.
No, you can't eat any. This is all mine. We thank you for watching. If we haven't said already, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
It's delicious. It's light. The whipped cream is, I don't know, it's really creamy. And there's
It's like lemon custard and fresh whipped cream. Very light and airy. And lemon curds custard? I don't know what you call
I think it's custard. It's so good. I love it, you guys. But thanks for watching. If you could, please share this video. I would appreciate it. And hope you're having a good day.